Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the display name in Catmail Co. Let's begin by opening settings. From here select settings and under gameplay should be the displayed name. What does this mean actually? This is the nickname that the game will display above you during gameplay. And it is only for multiplayer, of course. It only matters for multiplayer. You can also toggle them on or off. Here you can simply type the displayed name in. Once you are happy, simply press back, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.